Okay, today we're going to connect our GH4 to our iPad so that you can monitor the GH4 screen and actually remotely use the GH4 on the iPad. Okay, so first off, you're going to go to the App Store and you're going to look for Panasonic Image App. It's a free one. I mean, there's different ones out there. This one works fine. It's free. It's for Panasonic, so use it. Okay, so you're going to get that app. Once you have it, you're going to go back to your main screen. Okay, and this is what it'll look like when it's downloaded. You click on it, it'll open up. Okay, so now it's just waiting for you to connect the camera. You'll see that information there. Okay, so now we're going to go to our camera, and now we got to set up our Wi-Fi connection. Sorry, the camera's a bit shaky. I got to use my iPhone, obviously, because I'm showing you the GH4. So we're going to go to Wi-Fi. Actually, no, sorry, let's go back. To find your Wi-Fi, you just got to go to your main menu, and you're going to go down to your selection. You're going to go to the wrench, and then you're going to find Wi-Fi, okay? You're going to click your Wi-Fi. Your first option in Wi-Fi is Wi-Fi function. You're going to click that. The first option in the next submenu is new connection. You're going to click that. And then your next menu, the first selection is remote shooting and views, which what we want. So we're going to click that. So now we have the option of using the QR code or using the password if we do it manually. So we're going to do it manually. This here gives you the same option. We're not using the QR code because for me it didn't work. The QR code, you scan this code on your iPad's camera and then it would detect it, but it didn't work for me, so we're just going to do it manually. So we're going to close this. Still on our main screen here, we're going to go to Wi-Fi. And because this is in this mode right now, it's actually searching, it's actually active, and we're going to connect the two. So in our Wi-Fi list, it should show it. So there it is, GH4, okay? And when you press that, it's going to ask you for a password. And your password will be underneath your SSID that's showing on your GH4. Okay, you're going to punch that password in. And then when you do, you just wait for it to connect. So I'm connected. Okay. Now we're going to go back to our app. And it will start connecting. Okay, it's connected. And now what we're going to do is we're going to click remote operation. And now we see what the camera sees. So right now it's kind of out of focus because obviously I'm not holding it. So let's do this. We're going to aim for our apple over there. Let me see if I can get it in focus first here. Okay. Let's try to get it in focus. This would have been easier if I put this camera on a tripod. Okay. There we go, in focus. See our apple and our apple. So cool, awesome, right? Works in live. There's a little bit of lag, but it's not really bad. And it's just perfect if you need a secondary monitor. The monitor on the camera itself is kind of small. And it's just a way to link the two for free. It's awesome. You can actually even record. If you want to record, you just press the record button. And actually will start recording on the camera. Of course, you can press the record button again to stop recording on the camera. And there's other options here as well, of course, for white balance and all that other stuff. It's actually a pretty good app. If you know of other ones, by all means, mention them in the comments. All good. All right. Good luck.